intellectual or highly educated members of the society or a community, especially those who are interested in the arts, literature, philosophy, and politics. Then I went also to consult Mr. Webster, New World Dictionary. And he told me that you are the kind of people regarded as, or regarding yourselves as, the educated and enlightened class. But beyond that, I am not convinced that you are just educated and enlightened only in the line of arts, philosophy, literature, and politics. Because I believe, personally, as I can see in your eyes, as a class, you are aiming to reach the stars. And I believe that to reach the star, being someone like you from the School of Love, it includes every facet of your life. That includes your physical, your mental, your emotional, and above all, your spiritual aspect. Let's talk about a little bit on your aim.